Ladies and gents, boys and girls, we're back with another video. So this is going to be like an up-to-date update on the bike. Just so you know, because I haven't been riding lately, and like all my videos are like, previous days that I've saved, and you kind of edit and like you kind of just post and schedule your posts and stuff like that. So I don't have any video ready right now, so I'm just gonna make this little quick video on what's done to it lately and what hasn't been done yet, and which is the tire. I've been still riding with this messed up. Hey, it's all good. She still rides. The freaking brake pedal is still not fixed. I need to take this in to see what the quote is, because I also got some exciting news. I got an exhaust for it finally. It is the Kelpie Shorty exhaust. I'm thinking of putting it on myself just because I want to see the experience of doing it. Doesn't seem too difficult. Or maybe even, take it into the shop. Probably won't cost too much, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Got that in all black, so it's gonna match with the bike. I'm planning on changing this out soon to like a matte carbon piece. So anything that's gonna be like, so I'm gonna carbon this out. So anything that's gloss, I'm gonna carbon it gloss. I'm not gonna change this though. I'm thinking about changing this, but I'm not sure. I'm probably not gonna change this either. Just not too much carbon. I don't like too much carbon. Just a couple hints here and there. Probably change this. Possibly change these as well. Just subtle hints here and there. Might try and find some carbon covers for this. I'm trying to find the Faster Sons cover that is right here, that everybody has on the Facebook group and like forums. I don't know where you find them. I mean, like I found the website that someone gave me, but it's like sold out, or it doesn't let you like click. Also found this cool like seat mod, like the seat cowl. Hey man, I told you stop chewing branches. What are you doing? Come here. See how good he listens. Sit. You're a good boy. Give me your paw. Your paw, please. Hey, why are you chewing sticks like that? Ears tucked back. Huh? So you're gonna get a stomach ache, dude. You know that? But there's a seat mod cowl where it's like really sleek. I want to get it, but it comes from Japan, and I don't know how to like. It doesn't let me like. The website's like bugged. Like I can't click purchase on cart and shit like that. But I want to get it for the stock seat, so I can switch in and out. So I'll have like two seats, to play with. So I really want to get a new cowl for this, and like take these out and like just bolt it on. It's gonna look so. I need to find how to get that. I don't know if I talked about this, but new tank grips. These are from Storm or Stomp grips, whatever it is. Stomp. Yeah. Oh, I'm missing the biggest. Yeah. So I got some new grips from Puig. They're just a racing, your typical racing grips. The gloss with the gloss. I'm trying to just stick to the main theme of just matte or gloss black. Nothing. But down the road, I do want to change my chain to a gold chain, like a BMW chain. On a Yamaha. I know, sounds crazy, but it's whatever. Yeah. What else was there that I wanted to change carbon? There was something else. Oh, you can change these pieces as well. Might change them to like matte. not maybe not this, because I feel like that's like, you know, too much. Maybe these. So what I also noticed is my bike. So this is how you can tell if it's centered, right? So I don't know if y'all can tell. It's like very slight, but it's a little uneven, like the handlebars. So I need to get this bike checked, man. Because I've been riding really just dangerously. Not like riding dangerously, but like as in like the bike is not in 100%. So it's gonna be, you know. But I heard the exhaust that I'm getting from Kelpie is gonna be loud as heck. That's what people said, with no baffle in. I might just, I'll see how it is. I'll keep it in. If not, I'll keep it out. But yeah, she's holding up pretty well, everybody. Still, I need to get my tire changed. I might ride it. I'm gonna ride tomorrow to get some bank issues straightened out. Got scammed. Not sure how I got scammed. I'm just stupid. I'll let you know the details tomorrow. But yeah, man, I'm missing $500 now. So yeah, I could have been another part or something. But yes, sir. Thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned for another riding video soon. So I post like every 3 days. I don't know if y'all noticed that pattern. You can check that pattern out, unless like I actually miss a video, but most of it is 3 days. I try to post every 3 days. So see you guys on the 11th.